Hello everyone, welcome back to the JetPrint channel. Today we are going to explore the art of embroidery together and see how it adds texture and personality to custom products. Now let's get in a result. Embroidery is a decorative craft, and with modern embroidery equipment, we can now efficiently create beautiful embroidered designs. Next, I will walk you through the main steps of the embroidery process. First step, creating the design. Special software is utilized to generate the desired embroidery pattern. This involves plotting the trajectory and determining the number of stitches permissible for the needle and thread, converting it into a format compatible with the embroidery machine. Second step, selecting needle and the thread colors. Typically, embroidery machine can handle up to 16 colors, but they can only use 6 colors at a time. Therefore, the maximum number of colors that can be used in a pattern is 6. Third step, hooping. Different products like hats and t-shirts require specific hooping tools to secure them properly during embroidery. Fourth step, initiating embroidery. Once the product is properly hooped, the embroidery machine can commence the stitching process. If your design exceeds 6 colors, appending a second, embroidery may result in alignment challenges and compromise the original pattern. Hence, it is not recommended. Compared to regular printing, embroidery offers a more refined and dimensional look, adding a premium feel to a variety of products. The embroidery process embeds the design directly into the fabric, making it more durable. In the print-on-demand industry, embroidery is widely used on clothing, hats, backpacks, and more. JetPrint also offers products embroidery service. Just send your design to our support team, and they will assist you in creating your embroidery products. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated on our products. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.